Yo, hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Landing pages are a great way to convert your website's visitors into customers, and using a page builder plugin can make the process even easier. In this video, I will show you how to install PageFly landing page builder plugin on your Shopify store, step by step. We will cover everything from downloading the PageFly application to creating and customizing your landing pages. We will also provide some tips and best practices to help you make the most of your landing pages, from optimizing your page speed to improving your search engine rankings. So, whether you are a new Shopify store owner or looking to enhance your website design, let's get started and install PageFly Landing Page Builder plugin on your Shopify store today. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So, the first thing that I will need you guys to do is simply go ahead and click into your browser and go to the URL section. Search for Shopify and then this page shall be opened for you. Click on the second link and then for you to have a free trial, you can just go down below and click on start a free trial. For me, I have it already, but I will show you an idea how to do it. So just click on it, and then you have to answer these questions. So let's start by answering them. Here we go. Just do whatever you like to answer with. So just random stuff. Which social channels you want to sell on. You just do whatever you'd like. For me, I'm just going to skip, and then something like that, and then next. Here, put the store name. So we can name it, for example, tutorial random, and then next. Here the region, and finally here you will have to continue with an account. So you have to create an account using email, Apple, Facebook, or Google. So let's try with Google. Then let me just sign in using my Google account. And here it is. So building your store. So it can take some time, as you can see. It will not, I mean, some time. What I mean with some time, I mean like about 5 to 35 seconds. This is the maximum for them to actually build the store for you. So as you can see, this is the store and it is has been made for us. So to be able to add any plugin or app, all you need to do is go to here to the apps section, click on add apps, and then click on find more apps in the Shopify app store. So get into it and then they will take you to the other page. Here all you need to do is just right here fly page and you will find the plugin. So let's do that. So let's search for page fly landing page builder and then click on it. So before we actually add the application, let's view a demo to store. As you can see, board any pages with PageFly. This is like a demo of the landing page that you can have using this plugin. It is really cool. As you can see, these are like some ideas that they can give you. You can use them all. So this is one of their designs. This is also one of their designs. This is a landing page. So there is a square and alpha, so you can see both of them. So let's view this demo. At the moment it's not working for some reasons. Same thing goes for these and for these and for these. I guess the domain name has been stopped working for them, so they need to fix it later on. Anyway, let's go back and let's add this application to our Shopify store. Here we go. Click on add app and then give it some time. It will load and here we go. So now it will take us to the next page. Here we go. It is currently taking so long. I think, oh, I guess because I've lost my internet connection, so I'll be back right after it comes back. And back to you guys. Now, since you see, I fixed my internet problem. So anyway, let's get continued with this video. So let's click here to install the application. And now all we need to do is just click on install and it will get started for us. So here it is the dashboard. Here you can see the analytics, the pages that you have published, the sections, and here some add-ons, integrations, and much more. So how we can start using it? First of all, let's enable the actual UI personalization so we can have better user experience. So let's accept all. And now how we can start doing anything in here. So we can have here went to a page, and here we can import whatever kind of pages you'd like. So let's go for a home page, for example. Let's check for example which one we'd like. So create from a template or create a blank page. You can choose whatever you'd like. So let's create from template, and here let's see which one I'd like to use. I like this one, so let's try for example this one. So here we go, select template, and here we go. Now, everything in this page, it is 100% customizable. So you can edit whatever you'd like from here. For example, this is a text. You can just change it, for example, to something like that. Get 25%? No, get 100%. See? And here we can edit this button, click action. So when you click on it, what does happen? Open a pop-up, scroll to section, send email, account number. Let's say, for example, scroll to a section. Here we can scroll to a specific section that you would like to go to. So you have to create a section first, and then it will take you to this section. And here, for example, go to URL. If I clicked here, for example, it will take me to, let's choose, for example, google.com. This is just an example, but in your case, what you can do is simply you can change this to here. Let me just change this by now, and you can, for example, add here a product, and basically when they will click here, they will take them to the page of that product so they can buy it from there. This is like an idea that you can use. Here the image, we can actually add images, remove images, and do much more than that. Here it is a timer, as you can see here, and this page is inserted. Make sure to save, so let's save it. Save the page, got it. Here, let's wait a little bit, and here we go. This is some kind of sections over here. So these are the sections. So for example, this is a section. If you'd like to make a button that take you to the section, you have to give it a name. So make sure to give it attributes in here and give it a class or name or whatever you'd like, so it will be known for you which section is this, so you can make difference between each kind of sections that you have in your website. And basically guys, this is completely it. So when you want to publish it, you just have to click here, publish, give it your, this is the URL, this is the page title, click on publish, publish, and finally here publish. And when it, just give it some time and it will be published, in every single customer and visitor to your website will be actually able to see this page. So yeah guys, this is completely it. I hope you learned something from this video. If you haven't understood everything 100%, make sure to leave me a comment down below in the comment section. I'll make sure to answer all of your questions one by one, and if you face again any problem, make sure to write it to me. I will make either a video about it or just answer you. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and see you in the next tutorial.